What we're going to do right now, we create a new folder. Name it create new items, create folder. For the users, yes, we can create different accounts. That's not a big deal, that's cool. But for locations, we gotta be an admin to create those locations. So we create a new page, name it new location, and I'm gonna speed up right now. So I'm gonna speed it up right now because it is the same thing as before. If there will be any mandatory things where I will need to explain you, I will do so. So we need a widget play speaker. Okay, display speaker. We're gonna give 24 and 24 padding to the column and 12 padding to the widget itself. So we take a play speaker widget. We can style it a little bit. This widget will help us to easily create different locations. All right. So we drop down text field. We give this text field a border, focus border, border width, and border radius 12. And underline, I'll change it to outline and just copy it. This one's gonna be our city and country. Let's duplicate it, and that one gonna be our description. Here we can make max lines 5, min lines we're gonna keep it 0, like no, and turn off the autofocus, and add button, create 24, and to the count we give a scroll. So right now we have a select location. By pressing the select location, we easily can enter city, country here. For example, what you're gonna do for initial value, we take widget state and choose play speaker value. This is gonna be our city, and for text field we're gonna make it widget state play speaker value and country, confirm. And description, we make this description by ourselves. On the create button, add an action. Firestore, create document, locations, and add locations here. Oh, by the way, yeah, we need also images. Let's see what we have in locations. Images, it's a list of images. So we will need to place here a row and an image. This image is going to have border radius 12. To the row itself, we're going to add 12 padding. And we're going to add one more button that's going to say upload images. And padding to the button is 6. 48. Let's give it some style. Primary background for the fill color. For the text color, going to be primary color. And for the border radius, going to be also primary color. So it's looking better right now. And let's add an icon. Upload. Let's be 12. So by clicking on the button, we are adding an action, upload media, upload save photo video, upload type Firebase, image quality, let's make it 50 so we don't take a lot of space, show snap pair when it's done uploading, and media source is going to be only gallery to have an opportunity to allow multiple images, and done. In a row, we just generate dynamic children's, uploaded images of location, and for the variable we set widget state and uploaded file URLs, or just click here, confirm, confirm, okay. So let's give it padding 12 and take a row. To the row we need to give function scrollable, so we can scroll it. And for the image, by clicking here to set a variable, upload images of location item and confirm. So as I mentioned before, if we're gonna keep it this way, the app's gonna break, because I'm repeating, when you open this page, it requires it wants to show you images that are not there, which cause a bug, an issue, an error. So what we do, while we don't have anything here, we set conditional visibility, or we can show empty widget list, and we can show something like here, a component. We go to page selector, choose components, create a new component. Oops, create a blank, empty items, and let's add container here. This container is going to have width 100%, fill color is primary color, and add text here. Give this text horizontal alignment, vertical alignment 0, and no items found. 24 font size, and light text color is going to be like secondary. That's cool this way. So we go back to the locations, and in this row, which is a component, empty items, and center component, let's view in UI builder. That's how it's gonna look like. Right, we can change it easily just by going back to the page selector, open components, empty items, and write upload images. If you don't want to change this text here every time when you go into, and if you use this component in different pages, what you can do, you can create a component parameter. Let's add a parameter, name it text, and the type is going to be string as a text, for text, confirm. Take this text and give it a variable. Here you see like a new component, choose text. All right, so once we go back, we see that here's our parameter, and we can pass a parameter, say it, upload images. So we can use this one anywhere we want to right now, right? So, and on the create button, we see city from variable. We can take it from this select location button, city. Country is gonna be also from select location. Choose country. Description is gonna be from description. Latitude, longitude is gonna be from select location, and choose let long. And images, set value from variable, uploaded images, confirm. So if we open an action editor, what we see here, we see that this action says like, hey man, all you have here is just one action that creates a document. The second action must be navigate back or navigate to, right? So at the moment we're gonna make it navigate back and close it. So right now we have to make on main page, on the main page, for example, location page, let's add a fab button, right? So here it is, and give it an, also paste an icon here, make it white, add, so and give it an action, navigate to new location, right? Allow back navigation, cool,